Well, hello, my good people. How are you doing? Happy New Year to all of those that I haven't seen since last year. I am so elated to be able to come back on this year. Dextazlab. my grandson said he was taking a break after Christmas, and I think he said the break expire soon. So I tell him I want to be on one of the first program for the new year. For those who don't know me, my name is Titus William Wisdom, and these are what I call words of wisdom. Now today, I tell my grandson I had to come on because I want to talk to some of the young people, you see, about something that happened over the last couple of weeks. My grandson come by my house every now and then, and over the Christmas, them come and spend the holiday with me. I enjoyed it so much, you see, to be able to see my grandson. And someone who don't know my granddaughter, my granddaughter came to look for me as well. My granddaughter named Sherifka. Now, someone who probably wondering where this name come about, and sometimes I call her name and I shake my head, you know. I just call her Riffy. Riffy for short name, because I don't necessarily like her name, you know. Her mother named her because her father used to be a sheriff in Iowa, one of them states. So she called her picnic Sherifka. So my granddaughter and my grandson was staying with me over the Christmas, and them said them not leaving me. Them enjoy the living so much, and them said them not leaving me, and them going to stay throughout January. Me and my wife, someone who don't know some married, who now might see me whole, but me not cool. My wife said she going to go to the church Zoom meeting. Church having a prayer meeting, and I must join her. So I joined her a couple nights. But on this particular night, I inside the room. And me throat I was up. I inside the room and me and her praying, right? And the prayer meeting finished. So this is probably minutes after 10. And me and her day up and we having a little conversations, you know. And me a rubber, probably I shouldn't tell you no anything about that one. I start hear some music, some ruckus coming out of the second bedroom, and that bedroom supposed to be the one that Rifka, you know, or Riffy, whatever I call her nowadays. I don't speak her name. So I take up myself and I go to the door and I knock on the door. No, what you know, this is my house. I am knocking on my door. That don't make no sense to me. But I knock on the door a couple times, and all I hear is this loud music. And this is what I hear. So when I hear, I think my whatever get big. I open the door, and by the time I see her, I can't do what she do. By the time I see her go down, so I say, hold it right this one. Hold it right this one. My grandson have a little ring light where the phone can go down the middle. I see the ring light set up with the phone in the middle. And when I look on it good, I see Instagram live. And I see over 500 viewers.
That's serious?
So I call my grandson same time. And I say, grandson, come and tell me what is going on right here. So my grandson say, Grandpa, I say bossy challenge. I say bossy challenge. So I say, Rifka, after me and your grandma in their boss prayer to the Lord, you then I boss it for people. I want to give uno young people some words of wisdom. Uno stop it. Stop it right now. Uno make the internet and all of these people turning into idiot. My grandson call uno tats. Uno is tats. Uno is a Tatiana. As them would have said, uno is for the streets. I wanted the young people to stop it. It is 2021 now. Catch back the focus on what you're supposed to be focusing on. These people who are telling you to boss open and to boss it and all of these things. These people are making millions off of uno and not making a red cent. Uno realize that? They must sing these songs and I make millions. Some of you can't even read and write. Uno drop out of school. My words of wisdom is to stop it. Don't bust nothing open but the Bible. I can show you something tonight on this Instagram live. I tell you how to leave it open. I can teach you now a new challenge. You name the Boss House Challenge. I grab my belt and I start to go to work.